Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great day. I picked up my cousin Nadia. She's gonna be joining me today.
Hi.
I apologize. I have not been uploading. Yeah. I'll explain all that in a bit. So today's video, it's gonna be like I'm gonna take you with me in today's video. We're gonna go to Bonelli Park right now and just show you how beautiful it is. So we'll see you there. Hi guys, we are at Bonelli Park. It is very lonely out here. There's like no one.
It's empty today.
Yeah. Well, it is early in the morning. It's only gonna be 10. I kind of want to come before it gets all packed, you know? Then it's gonna be all crazy and wild and loud with all children and dogs and who knows what else they're gonna be doing.
Cats, carne asadas.
Yeah, no. So, I brought you guys along, you know, just because, so you can see some places I go to. I haven't been uploading because I've been taking time for myself for a bit, even though some of the time she's involved in it. But it was nice to take some time off. I will try my best to upload the days I'm supposed to. I upload every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. I'm supposed to upload. I will try that. But yeah, I'll work on better on uploading. It's just, it gets hard sometimes, you know? And then I forget and I space out because I work during the week and I get tired out of work and like...
And then she procrastinates.
And I just feel like not doing anything. Like, I even get lazy to cook sometimes dinner, you know? Yeah. So, yeah, we'll be walking around. You can get the view look. Like, it's a very beautiful place to come.
You can already see there's a lake behind
you. There's a lake right there. And then we'll see if we can get some video of some geese, I think they are called. Right?
They're ducks.
Not those over there.
Oh, those are geese. Wait, no.
They're
ducks.
No, they're not. They're like geese. So, yeah, we'll show you guys and you guys tell us what they are. Taking pictures. So there's the view. It's so bright outside. And she's supposed to be my camera woman, and she's taking selfies.
There's like a hair stuck up.
Let's go look at the ducks.
Wait. I got attached to something.
Hi, Naya. Are you stuck? Okay, we'll be back when she's not stuck. Okay, she's not stuck no more, guys. She got stuck with the fishing pole ring, the little string that they have. Yeah. I know you.
They're all over the place.
Let me see. She's supposed to be my camera woman, and look, she's taking selfies. Oh, it's hard to walk. There's a lot of rocks. Ow!
I almost fell.
There's a lot of rocks.
It's too long. You want some seashells, Chloe?
No. Look at some ducks. Oh, so many rocks.
They come because they think that we're going to give them food, but we can't feed them.
See? Beautiful ducks. Stop calling them. Those ducks they look weird. It's all muddy. This is nice, man. It's so bright outside. Oh, the dogs. Say hi. Yeah. It looks so cool. The sun's like so bright, so I kept my sunglasses. So nice. Look at that. There's the camera woman that's not holding the camera. She's taking selfies. I enjoy this. These are very nice views to come and look. It like takes your mind. It like brings peace in some way. In my opinion. Yeah. She's so tiny.
Me?
I can squeeze you. See? Now you guys tell me if you think these are geese or ducks. I feel like they're geese to me. I don't want to get too close. What if they attack me? They're like everywhere. I don't know. What is that one, guys? That one looks different. You tell me. You guys tell me what they... I think they're geese. Over there. And that little tiny one you see right there. There's Nayeli. She's tiny. Well, that's a little bit of Bonelli Park. It's a place I recently started coming to take time on myself. So we'll see you guys when we get to our next location. Alright guys, we are done. We are going to Mount Baldy for our next destination. It's another place I've been going to recently because I want to go out more. I want to feel closer to nature. So we'll see you when we get there.
And before we actually get to the actual destination, we're going to do a little transition into how far it is to get up and how the road is. So
see you there.
So we're on our way to Mount Baldy, and here's a little video of the way going up. You guys can see, I'm trying to get a little view over there. Down there, there's houses. Some mountains are already having snow on it. You guys can see there's a sign, Mount Baldy. A little bit more. It's a pretty long way up. It's 7 miles going up towards the mountain. 7 miles. 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 7 mi all the way at the top now. I don't know if you guys can see, I'll give you a pic view, but it's from like the top. We haven't gone down yet, but here's a small little view. Some rocks. We usually go down here, and that's where like all of that goes. It goes more like. So I'll come back to you guys. I'll come back to you guys when we're down there. So we're down here now. We're at the bottom. She's gonna try going on that rock. Like you see, there's other like little waterfalls. There's a lot of waterfalls here.
Oh, that was scary. Oh my god.
And then he jumped back onto that one last time. She made it!
You got it? Why didn't you follow me?
Because I wanted...
What if you're going? Step on all this mess.
I don't think that holds me.
I feel like it's safer than you just walking on that one. I try it.
Well, we'll see you guys when I get on the rock.
She made it!
I didn't fall this
She
time.
made it. Yeah, this is a lot more dangerous. But it's fun, you know, it's a nice place.
It's a nice hiking trip to come.
Look. There's that. Over there. Just the sound of the water makes it peaceful. And then there's all that over there.
It's freezing cold.
Who told you to touch the water?
The water's freezing cold.
We are up on the mountains, lady.
It's freezing.
Yeah, we won't show you the whole thing because it's a long walk. We'll do that another day. We'll show you another part. But this is all what it is. It's like all, it takes you all the way down there. And I think it still goes all the way up there, but we'll show you that on a different video. So yeah, these are like 2 places that I recently started coming to get a lot closer to nature, you know. It feels a lot peaceful. I'm starting to do a lot more stuff differently in my life. I'm trying to go out more. That's one of the reasons why I haven't been uploading any videos. I haven't recorded anything. I was taking time off for myself. Have some things I had to think about and changing my life. It's a she was trying to climb that. It was funny. Man, I didn't get it.
They have like little initials and little hearts.
Okay, for people that are in love.
Like also on that one.
Yeah, that was funny. But I was saying, yeah, I've been trying to do new things in my life. So I'm not in the house all day, every day. You know, gotta get out more often. Even though if it's just for a little bit, at least I'm not in the house. So, yeah, these are 2 of the places I came the last few days to like just like have my mind somewhere else, you know. It's a lot peaceful. I just like sit on one of the rocks and like just hear the water. If you hear it, if you can hear the water, that sounds so peaceful. It's like beauty of nature. So that will be it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I kind of took you to a few places I've been going to the last few days to be, you know, like to get my mind out of the world, all my problems, everything going on right now. So we're gonna just enjoy the rest of our little adventures here, and in another video we'll show you more of it. It will be like a little bit long. It will be a little bit more of it. Right now it's just a little section, you know. Oh my god, I'm about to fall off this rock. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Please comment down any future videos you want to see, any other stuff you want me to do, and have a good day. See you guys in the next video. Bye.